Hi everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and today I have for you a very cool tutorial using this brand new dual-ended tools that I just received from Beauty Big Bang for a review. So these are different size liner brushes on one end, and at the other end, as you can see, different size dotting tools. And there's 5 of them in one pack. I will have the link down in the description bar below, as well as my code NAQ57 for a 10% discount. Now, as you can see, I did start out with a black base. This is a gel polish, and you saw the first striping brush that I'm starting out with, because we are doing a freehand design of some snowflakes, and this is some white gel polish that I use for doing my drawing. And I will tell you guys, this design was totally inspired by my latest watch face. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the tutorial, and I meet you back at the end. There was a lot of flash gearing in between here, guys, and I wanted to come back here during the drawing of the Christmas tree. I felt that it was easier for me to start from the bottom, where it goes from the widest to the smallest as I reached the top of the tree. When I attempted it the other way around, it wasn't symmetrical as we wanted. You know, I didn't have that nice triangular shape. So that's why I started from the bottom. So that's a tip for you guys. And it wasn't exactly in the center of my nail, so I went ahead and added something there on the side. So here's the final result after I cure my top coat. And yes, I really like working with these brushes. I am going to keep these only for gels, and to clean them, I'm only going to use alcohol and no acetone. So hopefully they will last me, since I know they are synthetic brushes. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these brushes to play with and review. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and like this tutorial and this design as much as I do. I think it turned out super cool, and when you see the picture of that inspired it. I hope you guys give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.